everybody, hi, Cynthia from Earth Medicine Healing, and today I have a follow-up post to yesterday's Instagram and Facebook posting on the amazing adaptogenic herbs of Rhodiola and Ashwagandha. So today I am here to show you how you can bring those amazing herbs into your diet, into your life in a quick and easy way right from your living room. So you need a few basic things. I have my teapot here as my base, my cup, and some of my herbs right here in front of me. It literally takes minutes, and I'm going to show you how. So you want to start with a base. So your base for your tonic tea or latte can be water. It can be an herbal tea, which is my preference, or you can also use a nut milk or a plant-based milk. Coconut milk is a really good option to get you going. So the milks will give you kind of like a creamier, more thicker consistency, and the teas, although it will be a little bit thinner, it's going to bring in all of the nutrients of whatever herbs you're using. So today for my base, I have Gynostemma tea from Spring Dragon. I love this tea, and I pretty much use it every day as a base for my tonics in my morning lattes, and I'll show you that recipe another day. I'm actually going to read right from the box to show you the properties of this tea, because he does a really good job of explaining it. So here we go. It says, this tonic is carefully crafted to enhance your longevity, adaptability, and thrivability. We're talking about thriving here, not just surviving. Sounds good to me. Throughout Asia, Gynostemma teas are consumed as a daily tea by health-conscious folks. Gynostemma is known as magical grass in China. It is commonly used as an adaptogenic, enhancing, and anti-aging herb. Great, perfect. Gynostemma is an herb with double action activity, like most adaptogens are. It can be consumed in the morning to help you get started for the day, and it can also be drunk at night to help you relax. Brilliant. Spring Dragon Longevity Tea contains no caffeine, with 5 premier tonic herbs infused into a premium grade Gynostemma leaves. This tea yields one of the most broad spectrum health promoting tonic brews in the world. Now, who wouldn't want to drink that? I drink it every day, so I'm going to show you the other ones that are in there. So as well as Gynostemma, it's got extracts of luo hango, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, Schizandra berry, which is known as the beauty berry, Lycium astragalus, another amazing adaptogenic herb, which is great for your immune system, Eleuthero, which is also known as Siberian ginseng. So that's just in the base of your tea before you add anything else. So you can drink this by itself and you'll be golden. But I like to pump things up and add some other ingredients in there as well. So I'm going to add one of my favorite plant medicines, which is cacao. Amazing for mental, emotional, spiritual health, cardiovascular health, great source of minerals. The list goes on. You can check out my other posts to learn the health benefits of cacao, another Medicine Monday post that I did a couple weeks ago, but that is going in. So I'm just going to pour that into my cup, and that's about a tablespoon. And then I've got a rhodiola capsule here that I'm just going to empty into my cup. And again, rhodiola is great for focus, for stamina, for strength. It's great for people who work out, great for busy professionals, pretty much everybody right now who's running around town with a laundry list of things to do. So it just helps keep you going. It gives you energy, it gives you strength, it helps you to focus, mental clarity, creativity. Amazing. So that's gone in there as well. And then I have the ashwagandha. I like to use Anima Mundi. I love the quality of their herbs and the efficacy of their herbs. Really good company. So Anima Mundi, A-N-I-M-A. Mundi is spelled M-U-N-D-I. Their website has the same name. Check them out. That's pretty much the main source of the adaptogens that I use. So then the final ingredient I'm going to add is some more brain food, which is coconut oil. Really good source of essential fatty acids. It's literally like jet fuel for your brain. And adding some fat to the recipe is also going to help to carry the nutrients more deeper into your system. So it's really good to do that and add that in as well, some healthy fats. So I'm pouring, I like to drink a big cup of this tea, especially in the morning. I I can already smell it. It has like a really earthy, natural smell. Let's put that right there. And to mix it all, I have this handy dandy little portable whisk. I got this at IKEA, really, really inexpensive. I'm sure they sell them on Amazon as well. And you just put that in. So with this, you just turn it on and it kind of gives it like a whisk. So kind of like a cappuccino effect. So you put that in. See if I can have you see how that works. It basically stirs it up for you and breaks down the cacao granules and helps to emulsify the coconut oil and the herbs into this amazing tea. You can throw all of this in your blender and just whiz it up. Same thing, but this is just showing you how you can do it in a quick and easy way and just make yourself a drink within seconds. I will show you how to make more teas in the future with the blender and the difference and the consistency on another Medicine Monday post, so stay tuned. Okay. And then you want to add a little bit of a splash of almond milk. That's about 1/4 cup. And blend again. You can see a little bit in there. Okay, so there you have it. Right from the comfort of your living room, you can make yourself a delicious adaptogenic tonic that is going to boost your energy, give you focus, clarity, confidence, give you help to support your adrenals, your stress response, help you to feel relaxed if you need to feel relaxed, help to pep you up if you need to be pepped up with more energy. And that's it. So I'll see you next week on another episode of Medicine Mondays. Cheers. Oh, delicious. Let me know what you think. Please try this recipe at home. And you can see how easy it is to make this drink. So yeah, let me know. I would love to hear your feedback and your comments once you've made the drink. Ciao.